Most traders are not losing because they don't care. They're not losing because they're lazy. They're losing because they don't know what to do. They don't know what to look for. I am here to make a bold claim today that I built the indicator that will help you go from being a losing trader to bringing in tens of thousands of dollars a month. Don't believe me? Let's go ahead and check my Discord. We got girls and guys in here that are just winning off of this indicator. Phil, his TP was hit. Xander got a payout. Octavia's got a payout today. People catching moves on the London session. It's even times where I'm not looking at the market and this thing is still catching wins. People catching wins even in Forex. I'm telling y'all, people winning in this thing. People cooking in this thing. Even I caught a huge runner off of this indicator. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this, man. It's real, guys. It's real. So look, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go on the chart and I'm going to show you guys exactly how the indicator works. So first thing that I do is I have my SMC structures and fair value gaps on. I don't like missing a fair value gap, so I keep this on, pause the video, copy all of my settings, take Fibonacci off, boom. I put my EMA on there just so I can know direction, just have an extra confluence. That's just me. I took it off of the indicator. We don't need it. But if you want it, then you can go ahead and use it. That's how I do it. Let's get into it. So my strategy is 3 steps. It's super simple. If you guys want to learn more about it, please go ahead and get the Secret Sauce Deluxe course, or you can bundle it in with this indicator. But I'm looking for a breakout on a higher time frame. So as the time frame higher above has the lines drawn out for me, it says 10, but it's really a different time frame. That's just the way that we coded it. And so when there's a breakout that occurs, it'll tell us when to enter. So I'm going to take a limit order. I'm going to take it back and I'm going to take a limit order right off of this guy right here. And so it's going to tell us exactly where to put our stop loss and take profit at as soon as time goes on. And then you could set alerts to be able to get in the market. So we're going to enter right here and boom. So when you backtest it, doesn't let you do your stop loss and take profit until later. So we're going to move our stop loss and take profit. So we're risking, I'm going to put it above the swing point instead. So you can adjust your stop loss a little bit. You don't have to be so hard set on the stop loss. I will say for the take profit, try not to adjust it. Try to stay true to where it's set. It'll help you out a lot. So we're in the trade. We're up $5,000 right now, and then take profit hit. So let's go for another one. All right, so this is really important as we're fast forwarding the video. You want to make sure that if you're entering the market, you guys see this volume right here on the top left. If you guys don't have it, go to your settings, scroll down, go to more settings, go to status line and check volume. You want to make sure that you have volume on there so you can be able to make sure you're avoiding bad trades. And so we did put a volume filter on here to make sure that we're not entering off of bad trades. And I typically don't like to do anything other than 500. Now, if the move has an average of 500 pushing down, that we can get in the trade. So let's get in this trade right here and see what happens. Remember, you're not going to win them all, but it does have a high win rate. So we're just going to set the stop loss and take profit for now, and then we'll adjust it when time tells us what to do. So we set a limit order right here. Cool. We'll move our stop loss up here, and then we'll move it down here. Okay, so it told us break even, but we actually didn't break even. Now, if I took break even off, which is right here, then we would have won that trade. So that's how that works right there. So if you want to keep break even on, you can. If you don't, then you don't have to. So for the sake of this video, let's either win or lose. All right, so here we go. Here's the next trade. So you got a fair value gap that's probably going to form right here. Let's try to get in, cover that swing high, create that limit order. Oh, let's do 5 always. All right, got us right here. We're going to do stop loss right here. Now, I want to extend my take profit a little bit. I want you guys to stay true to it, but I'm going to extend it just a little bit. Just, just a little fun. We'll see what happens. We'll see if the indicator outsmarts the creator. We'll see. We both won. How about that? All right, let's keep going. All right, this right here is a trade that I took earlier. I don't even remember what I saw when I got in. I just got in. It's okay. So you guys see this breakout right here? It avoided getting us in the market, one, because there was no volume and there was no fair value gap above the line. So it's really good at detecting proper fair value gaps for us to be able to get in the market, and we would have avoided a loss if we got in right there. This is why I love this indicator so much, because it helps you avoid losses so well. So even look at this right here. There's no volume. There's nothing that tells us to get in the market. It broke out, but it's prevented us from getting in the market. This indicator, bruh, I'm telling y'all, bruh. Y'all see how it's hanging out by our line and there's still nothing printing, nothing telling us to sell? Telling y'all, bruh. There's also another trade that I entered. I forgot why, but all right, here we go. I think it's going to tell us to get in. Let's see. All right, so not yet. So we need the fair value gap to be outside of the line. So it's telling us to wait. I believe that it's going to tell us to enter right here. So let's see. All right, so it didn't tell us to enter in right here, but because we have a breakout, if you guys know the secret sauce strategy, get the deluxe course. This is why we would enter off of this trade. Let's see what happens. Boom. That's why we would enter. If you took the secret sauce deluxe course, you would know to enter in right there. That's a really good setup right there. That's an A+ setup right there. You guys can see right here, there's a huge breakout of our zone right here. But because momentum and volume was super low and super choppy, it didn't print a buy signal, man. This indicator is crazy, bro. You don't need to trade without it no more. I mean, there was even another breakout. I told us not to do it. And you would have lost on that trade. That's why I brought it up. Another breakout, but it didn't enter us in. It didn't tell us to buy. And nobody got smoked if it did. We've been working hard on this thing, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. It's very conservative with the trades that it enters. All right, I took it back because I was going too fast. So, all right, it's telling us to get in right here. We're going to get in right here. If the indicator said to do it, then we're going to do it. What are you talking about? Bruh, I forgot to set my TP, bruh. But y'all understand. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get it. You see what I'm saying? I forgot to set my TP. I just wanted to show y'all. You know what I'm saying? This thing's crazy. Now, let me say this before I wrap up the video. It will not win every single time you trade with caution and risk. Do you hear me? Another thing is we have roughly around a 78 to like 88-ish% win rate. So it's really cool. Go ahead and get it. If this is an update for you to understand how it works, please watch this video again. If you need, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.